Old Clara Dawson lived a simple life in Oak Ridge, never expecting trouble.
She ran a tiny bakery, barely making ends meet.
A corrupt local inspector targeted struggling businesses for bribes.
He threatened Clara with closure unless she paid him.
She refused to pay his illegal demand. He shut her bakery using lies and fake paperwork. She lost income overnight. Every loan was due.
She asked only for strength, not revenge.
She tried to file a complaint, but no lawyer wanted to challenge Rick.
Everyone feared Rick's connections.
She walked out with no hope, but not broken. Even in struggle, she never stopped helping others.
The homeless man noticed her sadness.
She shared her story honestly.
He was retired detective Samuel Reed, now living humbly by choice.
He promised Clara he would investigate quietly.
He caught Rick red-handed many times.
He gathered solid proof over days.
The FBI trusted Samuel's reputation.
They discovered Rick's long criminal history.
A warrant for Rick was issued.
He believed no one could ever touch him.
Rick was handcuffed, shocked, and furious.
The bakery was legally reopened.
She finally felt peace after months.
People supported her more than ever before. Her bakery flourished stronger than it was before closure.
As our
She
business
honored
grows,
her
we need more
blessings
hands on deck.
By helping others.
Thrilled.
Samuel became like family to her.
Clara realized that patience, goodness, and truth always win.